Imagine fitting 512 gigabytes of secure high-speed storage into something smaller than your car key. The Tupan Nano SSD isn't just compact, it redefines portable data storage. Built for professionals and creators who demand performance without compromise, this device combines power, portability, and protection in one minimalist form. Engineered with blazing fast read-write speeds, this SSD transfers large files in seconds. Whether you're editing 4K videos on the move or backing up critical data, speed won't slow you down. At just over 2 inches long and whisper light, it clips onto your keyring, ready wherever you are. Its standout feature? Advanced fingerprint encryption. Your files stay locked behind your identity, ensuring privacy without complicated passwords. With an eye for dynamic storytelling, this compact system transforms ordinary shots into cinematic sequences. Trexo Wheels enhances every frame through precision motion control, letting users craft smooth, repeatable movements with ease. Whether you're showcasing a product or capturing a scene, its intuitive system adapts to both mobile and DSLR workflows. What sets this apart is its built-in AI voice command capability. Direct the device hands-free and stay focused on your subject. Paired with eye face tracking, the camera locks onto your talent or object, keeping it in perfect focus even as it moves. This feature makes it ideal for solo creators, vloggers, or instructional content. Its time-lapse functionality transforms static visuals into compelling narratives over time. Compact yet robust at just over a pound, it fits easily into your bag, making it portable for location shoots. Night after night, your bed becomes more than rest. It's the place where calm returns, where energy gathers, and where the tone of tomorrow is quietly shaped. That kind of daily reset deserves fabric designed to match the rhythm of real life. Strong, breathable, smooth, and built to last. These sheets trace their story to the heart of Egypt, where cotton is still handpicked to preserve its natural integrity. Long staple fibers are spun into an exceptionally rich 1,000 thread count, then woven into a sateen finish that feels sleek without clinging. Only the finest 1% of global cotton makes the cut, delivering an enduring fabric that softens, strengthens, and settles in deeper with every cycle through the wash. With every glance through the lens, Envision reshapes what binoculars can do, bridging nature and cosmos, daylight and starlight. Designed by Unistellar, the minds behind the revolutionary smart telescopes, Envision is your field guide by day and astronomer by night. These 10 by 50 millimeter smart binoculars combine a Poro-style build with advanced augmented reality to display real-time information overlaid on the natural world. No internet required. Envision's precision orientation system unlocks over 1 million terrestrial targets, from trails and springs to summits and shelters. It knows where you are and what you're looking at, distance, elevation, even historic significance. At night, Envision identifies over 1,000 deep space objects, galaxies, nebulae, and planets, plus 200,000 stars, revealing the heavens like never before. In small apartments or tight spaces, growing your own food shouldn't feel impossible. That's exactly why this streamlined indoor garden was engineered, to bring yield and versatility into even the narrowest corners. With a sleek footprint and an innovative expandable design, it supports 12+ plants without the bulky frame of traditional models. Most systems with similar output eat up over 5 times the floor space, but here, thoughtful architecture redefines what compact gardening means. Cleaning shouldn't be a chore either. Every part is fully removable and dishwasher safe, inspired by the simplicity of cleaning a kitchen mixer. No more messy scrubbing or digging in tight corners, just dismantle and toss the components in your dishwasher. Done. The Casio Ring Watch CRW001 is a remarkable blend of technology and precision craftsmanship, creating a full metal version of a classic timepiece in a finger-worn design. To achieve this, the watch case, back, and band are formed as a single piece using an advanced metal injection molding process. This technique allows for the intricate details, including the band's dimpled texture, to be reproduced in fine detail. The result is a compact, durable, and water-resistant watch with a clever use of glass adhesive to ensure a secure seal, even while allowing for battery replacements. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. Whether you're conducting business or exploring new places, the built-in translator instantly converts text and speech, bridging language barriers with ease. The glasses are equipped with advanced optics, ensuring clarity and precision while viewing information, notifications, or videos. No more yanking, twisting, or yelping as you wrestle with an overstuffed trash bag. The pulley bin flips the script on how we deal with garbage, starting with a smarter, safer design. Forget hauling 30 pounds of compressed waste while fighting suction and gravity. This bin makes it effortless. Front-opening doors eliminate the need for awkward lifts. Just lift the top cover, swing open the stainless steel doors, and pull. That's it. It's impact-resistant, built for the daily abuse of busy homes and compatible with all 13-gallon bags. No special liners required. The interior is easy to clean, and every edge, curve, and mechanism was chosen to minimize mess and maximize convenience. Built-in door locks keep it children and pet-proof. Crafted for those who value precision and security, the OhmyKey offers a seamless blend of biometric innovation and personal control. This isn't just another access tool. It's a fingerprint-secured device built to match your pace, your privacy, and your priorities. With your fingerprint as the key, OhmyKey transforms your fingertip into your identity, giving you one personalized touchpoint for access to what matters most. Built on a foundation of biometric access, OhmyKey eliminates the need for traditional keys or vulnerable passwords. It delivers streamlined entry to your home, office, or smart devices with encrypted confidence. Every detail is personalized to you. Its encryption is deeply coded, ensuring that no one else can replicate your access. What sets it apart is the fusion of convenience and cutting-edge tech. Elevating refinement without shouting for attention, the Norm 2 introduces a deliberate evolution in smartwatches, built for those who value balance over noise. With a full-size display embedded in a classic silhouette and powered by a new intelligent chipset, Norm 2 delivers essential features in a timeless frame. Designed using sustainable materials and forged from 2 years of community insight, this timepiece isn't trying to keep up. It's leading quietly. Norm 2 doesn't follow trends, it builds upon legacy. Its minimalist design houses the essentials: calls, notifications, and activity tracking without the clutter of gimmicky features. The new app offers intuitive control, letting users decide what matters and what doesn't. This is simplicity, sharpened by precision. 2 sophisticated colorways, rose and stainless steel, now join the collection. From the first press of the button, the Xerosonic X responds with commanding energy, fueled by its powerful impulse motor that delivers deep, efficient cleaning without compromise. Whether you need a gentle daily refresh or a high-intensity flush, it adapts instantly with 3 intelligent modes designed to meet personal care needs with precision. Changing tasks, the Easily Swap Nozzles feature keeps you in control. Switch effortlessly between different nozzle types for gum care, braces, or a full mouth cleanse. Built for extended use, the long running time ensures up to 90 minutes of cordless operation on a single charge, making it reliable at home or while traveling. Despite its strength, it maintains a compact size and weight, under 1 pound and less than 9 inches long, perfect for storing in a drawer or packing in a carry-on. This is not another gadget. It's a professional-grade control interface engineered for creators, coders, and power users who demand more from their workspace. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, the Moju controller combines form and function without compromise. Every detail is made to refine your experience. high-resolution touchscreen, motorized potentiometers for tactile control, vibrant RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. Customizable widgets let you design your setup your way, while the modular system adapts to fit your workflow perfectly, whether you're editing video, mixing audio, or automating repetitive tasks. No more cluttered desktops or clunky shortcuts. With Modu, everything you need is within reach. It's time to take full control of your space, your software, and your time. Styled like elegant jewelry but built with precision audio engineering, these earrings redefine how sound blends with life. Nova's H1 audio earrings bring together craftsmanship and patented directional sound technology in a seamless, non-intrusive way. Rather than blocking your ears, these out-of-ear wearables funnel audio through acoustic chambers built inside real freshwater pearls, aiming sound directly toward your ear without disturbing the space around you. This out-of-ear design offers a spatial listening experience, allowing users to stay aware of their surroundings while enjoying music, calls, or podcasts. The directed sound path minimizes sound leakage, maintaining your privacy while enhancing your mobility. Think of it like a personal audio layer over the natural world, a discrete soundtrack to your daily routine. Elevate your game time with a handheld engineered for versatility and performance. The Absolute One Pro blends portability with power, offering smooth access to retro titles, remote play from your console, and seamless cloud-based gaming, all in one device. Whether you're revisiting 16-bit classics or streaming the latest AAA releases, this unit delivers consistent results through its responsive controls and stable connection. The 7-inch Full HD screen delivers vibrant visuals with crisp clarity, letting you enjoy every pixel of your favorite Android or cloud games without squinting. The unit weighs under a pound, making it ideal for long sessions without hand fatigue. Responsive analog sticks, tactile buttons, and well-placed triggers ensure you're always in control, no matter what you're playing. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity reduces latency while expanding the boundaries of cloud-based experiences. When outdoor heat becomes relentless, a high-performance solution like this instant cooling vest is essential. Engineered with 2 high-speed fans, it delivers immediate airflow across your core, pushing hot air out and drawing cool relief in within seconds. Built for versatility, the vest features 3 precise cooling levels, letting you control your comfort whether you're working in the yard, hiking trails, or enduring a summer commute. Equipped with a robust 10,000 mAh power bank, it runs for hours without interruption. At only 15.2 ounces, the design remains impressively lightweight, barely noticeable during extended wear. The slim, balanced construction doesn't sacrifice mobility or breathability, making it ideal for both casual and intense activity. When your kitchen demands power, precision, and efficiency, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor steps in with authority. Built with a robust 1,000 peak watt motor, it tackles dense veggies and stubborn dough with ease, delivering smooth, consistent textures across every use. The 9-cup bowl gives you ample space to prep large meals or multiple portions in one go, perfect for families or weekly batch cooking. With its Auto IQ technology, meal prep becomes a streamlined, one-touch experience. A workday doesn't need to feel static. This L-shaped standing desk lets you move, adjust, and optimize your environment. Designed for both flexibility and durability, this dual-motor standing desk is crafted with a strong steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors, maintaining rock-solid stability even after 100,000 lift cycles. Whether you're deep in focus or multitasking between screens, it stands firm, literally. The top surface spans a generous 63 inches by 55 inches, providing plenty of room for multiple monitors, documents, and devices. When your game demands precision and clarity under pressure, you need a tool that won't distract, just perform. This GPS golf watch delivers just that. Built into a new round watch profile, its high-resolution display remains clear even in harsh sunlight, providing essential data at a glance without breaking your rhythm. With over 42,000 courses preloaded from around the globe, it automatically knows where you are and what you need. Yardages to the front, back, and center of the green, plus distances to hazards and doglegs. Stay focused with Bluetooth connectivity that syncs seamlessly with the Garmin Golf app. Built for demanding power users and travelers alike, this powerhouse redefines what portable charging can achieve. Ugreen's advanced 145-watt power bank supports PD 3.1 and QC 3.0, delivering high-speed charging across 3 ports. The USB-C 1 port alone pumps out up to 140 watts, enough to bring a 16-inch MacBook Pro from 0 to 56% in only 30 minutes, keeping productivity unhindered even during brief layovers or work sessions. Its 25,000 milliamp hour capacity holds more than just energy. It offers true freedom. Recharge a laptop up to 1.3 times or give your smartphone 5 full boost before needing a refill. Perfect for multi-day trips or back-to-back meetings, it eliminates the anxiety of low battery warnings. The real edge comes with two-way fast recharge. Plug it into a 65-watt PD charger and it recharges in just 2 hours.